Hello students, welcome to the science class. Today I am going to teach you new chapter, that is human body, the teeth. The objectives of this chapter are identify and name the different kinds of teeth in human beings, draw pictures of each kind of tooth and label the parts of a tooth, discuss the need for various kinds of teeth in human beings and explain their functions, why the old people, adults and children have different number of teeth, demonstrate healthy habits related to taking care of their teeth, give reasons why the gums and the teeth get damaged, suggest ways to keep the teeth and gums healthy and strong, importance of regular checkup of teeth, healthy food habits with the development of healthy teeth and proper brushing. In this chapter, we will also study about teeth, types of teeth, parts of teeth, taking care of teeth. The terms of this chapter are temporary teeth, wisdom teeth, premolars, molars, plaque, germs, floss, permanent teeth, incisors, cavity, canines, dentist. Teeth are very important part of our body because it helps us to bite and chew the food properly. The another functions of teeth are they help us to speak clearly. Moreover, they give shape to our face. We are having two jaws in our mouth, upper jaw and the lower jaw. These all teeth are firmly embedded in both the jaws. Now students, open your book at page number 19 and let's start our reading from the topic temporary and permanent teeth. During our lifetime, we are having two sets of teeth. These two sets of teeth are temporary teeth and permanent teeth. Now students, let us learn about the temporary teeth and the permanent teeth. Temporary teeth are the teeth which are known as primary teeth, milk teeth or baby teeth. They are generally appear at the age of 6 to 8 months. The entire set is completed by the age of 2 years. Now, underline the word temporary teeth and write down its definition, the first set of teeth in children. Now, underline the word permanent teeth and write down its definition, the teeth that come in place of temporary teeth. Children up to the age of 7 or 8 years have temporary or milk teeth. They are 20 in number. At the age of 7 or 8 years, the permanent teeth grows after the falling of temporary teeth. There are 32 permanent teeth in adults. So students, the children up to the age of 7 or 8 years, they are having temporary teeth and these temporary teeth are 20 in number. As the temporary teeth are weak, they fall off at the age of 7 to 8 years and in place of temporary teeth, permanent teeth grow, which are the second set of teeth and they are stronger than temporary teeth. The total number of permanent teeth in adult are 32. Students, if you observe your teeth in the mirror, you all will see that the teeth which are there in your mouth are of different size and shape. Now come to the next topic, that is general structure of a tooth. A tooth has two parts, the crown and the root. The part above the gum is the crown and the part below the gum is the root. Our tooth is having two parts and these two parts are the crown and the root. Crown is the part of the tooth which lies above the gum and the root is the part of the tooth that lies below the gum. Underline the word gum and write down its definition. Pink flesh inside the mouth that covers the bone into which the teeth are fixed. A tooth has three main layers, namely enamel, dentine, pulp. So let's learn about these layers one by one. The first layer of the tooth is enamel. It is the outermost layer of the teeth. It is the hardest substance in our body. It resists the wear and tear of the internal parts of the tooth. It forms the crown of the teeth. Now students, underline the word wear and tear and write down its meaning, damage. So, the outer layer of the tooth is the enamel. It is the very hard covering of the tooth. It is as hard as a crystal. Moreover, this layer is even more stronger than a bone. The functions of this layer are: it protects the tooth from tooth decay. Moreover, it protects the internal parts of the tooth. Come to the next layer of the tooth, that is the dentine. It lies under enamel. It protects the inner pulp. This is the layer of the tooth that lie below the enamel and it is yellow in color. It is also harder than bone but softer than enamel. It supports the structure of the tooth. Moreover, it protects the inner pulp as inner pulp has blood vessels and nerves. So, dentine provide protection to the inner pulp. Now come to the next layer, that is pulp. Pulp is the innermost part which contain nerves and blood vessels. This is the innermost part of the tooth which is having a cavity known as pulp cavity, and this cavity contains the pulp which is having blood vessels and nerves. The functions of pulp are: pulp contain blood vessels through which blood flow, and this flow of blood keeps the tooth moist. It also helps in the formation of dentine. The pink colored gums hold the teeth tightly at their place. So, in our mouth, pink colored gums are there and these gums hold the teeth very tightly at its place. The unhealthy gums cause bleeding and pain and ultimately fall off teeth. Underline the word unhealthy and write down its meaning, harmful to health. Now, underline the word ultimately and write down its meaning in the end or finally. So, if we do not brush our teeth properly, the sticky layer of bacteria is formed on the teeth, and due to the sticky layer of bacteria on the teeth, the gums start bleeding when we brush our teeth. So students, when the gums start bleeding, this disease is known as scurvy. The another problem that is caused due to the unhealthy gums is the pain in the teeth. When we chew our food, when the gums are unhealthy, it causes pain and we are not able to chew our food properly, and sometimes falling off teeth also occur. So to overcome these problems, we should brush our teeth properly. So students, in today's class, I have discussed with you temporary and permanent teeth along with the journal structure of a tooth. So read and revise the topic thoroughly and also revise the cross questions. Thank you and have a nice day.